This is the best condition of roads available for the people of Saipung that falls under 5 Sutanga Saipung Assembly Constituency, East Jantia Hills District, which tells its own story. This constituency is represented by Shri Shillong for the third time, who always complained that he was in the opposition and cannot do anything to alleviate the misery of the people of the area. At the same time, Shri Vincent H. Pala was the member of Lok Sabha from Eastern Bloc of Meghalaya for the third time. It is high time to point the three fingers to himself than counting the faults on the other side. This video is a living witness on the first day of September 2022.
yang